Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this delicious chili fry. You can either have this with rice or as a spicy side dish. These stuffed chilies are prepared from stuffing the basin-based spice mix, 2 green chilies, and then pan-fried until crisp. Firstly, I would recommend to use the less spicy green peppers or chilies for this recipe. Preferably jalapeno peppers are ideal for this recipe with sufficient space for the stuffing. If you do have spicy chilies, you can go ahead and de-seed the chilies before stuffing, which reduces the spice level. However, if you prefer to be spicy, then you can keep it as it is. I am skipping that step because my chilies are not too spicy. Now you can slit the green chilies in the middle. Pour around 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan and put the pan on medium flame. Place all the chilies into the pan and cook it for a while. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as click on the notifications bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Flip the chilies and cook on all sides, keeping the flame on medium. Try not to overcook the chilies, otherwise it would lose its crunchiness and turn out soggy. Once all the chilies are fried, you can now take them out and put them on a strainer to release all the excess oil. Shake them to get rid of any excess oil. Look at how great they look. Now we're going to put these aside and prepare the stuffing. In a big bowl, add 1 cup of besan, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, salt as per your taste, and chili powder. So I'm using chilies which are not too spicy, that's why I'm going to use the chili powder, but if your chilies are spicy enough, then you can ignore the chili powder. And mix them all together. Now we're going to take the besan spice mix and add it into the pan. So I've also reduced the amount of oil in the pan, so I only have like around a spoon of oil in the pan. And I'm just going to fry it for a while. So you need to continuously keep frying because they can burn really easily. You can add more oil according to the texture of the besan mix. Once it has the nice color and once it's fully fried, you can now stuff it into the chilies. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, Go down below and smash that like button, as well as subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!